Emmanuel Ndekezi meya wa mupaka yagira ngo rutaro rwatanu ko mukasheshe kandi abatura bakera barukungira muri mupaka tabona kanso.
M23 yatangiye saa 3 iri gukubita iyi area ya Congo. No abasirikare bari barimo bose ariko bagiye tabo barimo. Ubwo ubu nibo turindiriye kumenya nibaza hano ku border kuko impunzi zabaye nyinshi. Turebe ko twavugana nabo kundo ko bo kwakira abantu babo niba baragarukayo niba batarabo kugarukayo twiteguye kugira ngo tubahe shirehe mu nkambi.
Ndekezi nagira ngo Abaheekyera bahigaruze inkambi nazamahe.
Aba baje mu gitondo bari gutera imbunda gusa ariko ntabo bari kurwana nabo.
RDC wa Kisoro Hagishavikse kandi yajyango rutaro rire DRC rwasiga binji bahungira mu Uganda ahamwata no gwa mupaka.
The official soldiers of Congo father are also not there, so the place is abandoned, and that one has made many civilians get worried, and they have run into Uganda.
Yayongera yagira ngo Uganda yanyweze byo kwerinda byayo ahansharo.
So we are asking our people to remain calm because Uganda has an open door policy for asylum seekers. I've asked them not to harass the refugees who are coming here, to receive them as their brothers and sisters, and also to help them in any simple until when UNHCR comes in to give them support.
Impunzi zagira ngo zahorra amasasa garukutera nazo no kwekunga.
In the morning, many schools had the bomb shellings and children were crying. So we have agreed with the DEO. So far we have closed the primary schools along the borderline, and we have asked the children to go back home because children cannot sit in class and read and concentrate when they are here in gunshots.
Abaheekyera basharaho ruguto rwa Busanza okuza koma. Bwanyuma yo kwata Busanza babuganaho n'empungi nukwe kuzigambira nzigaru cyo makagabo. Abantu muri Kisoro basiba barukureba uko Abaheekyera barukwetorora Busanza ya DRC. Abasirikare ba DRC basigire bacinga enju za customs na immigration batyo nukwe kweyongerayo. Gasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.